Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch frog and king frog to complete the frog army quest in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the frog commander, and the quest says that we need to catch 5 frogs and also catch 1 king frog, and I'm going to show you where you can catch the frogs and also king frog. So guys, if you want to catch the frog, you just need to fish on the Fisherman Island. You can fish right here or right here, it's up to you guys. You can fish anywhere on the Fisherman Island. And then wait, let me show you the fish index. Okay, Fisherman Island. Okay, and the frog is one of the rare fish in from the Fisherman Island. Meanwhile, the king frog is the epic fish. So yeah, you can fish here, and I hope that you can catch frogs and also king frogs to complete the frog army quest. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the frog and king frogs and Fish It to complete the frog army quest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.